The dawn of the upcoming year signifies a momentous occasion for Skoda as they unveil plans for an imminent redesign of the Skoda Octavia 2025. With its bold and aerodynamic design, the 2025 Octavia is a true game-changer on the road. This masterpiece combines elegance and innovation, making it stand out among the rest. Commencing from the exterior, the brief clip unveils the prospect of an illuminated badge, introducing a contemporary flair to the design. The daytime running lights, DRLs, take on a new dimension, extending beyond the headlight's main body, subtly resembling fangs and infusing the front with a heightened sense of aggression and dynamism. Anticipated alterations at the front include the incorporation of new vertical air intakes on the bumper's sides and subtle modifications to the grille, aligning with the discreet yet impactful trend of restyling. Recent reports suggest limited changes, yet the latest information hints at the likelihood of the new Octavia adopting the 116 PS 1-liter 3-cylinder turbo engine from the recently updated Camic. Additionally, a 1.5-liter, 150 PS 4-cylinder engine is anticipated, along with a diverse range of 2-liter engines. There are emerging reports about the development of a fully electric version boasting zero CO2 emissions, although its debut is not foreseen until the second half of the decade. The model will persist on the MQB platform, and the plug-in hybrid version is expected to maintain its presence in the lineup with the new facelift, scheduled for a February debut. The forthcoming Skoda Octavia 2025 promises to be a refined evolution of the existing model, blending nuanced aesthetic updates with internal technological advancements, all while preserving the well-established and successful formula that has defined the model over the years. Thank you for joining us in this grand unveiling of the revolutionary 2025 Skoda Octavia. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates in the world of automotive engineering.